Let's talk about how to tether to your phone. First of all, how to tether to your phone. You see, this tether thing has been a very serious question. So for you to tether to your phone, first of all, you must download Capture One for your phone. I'm talking about those cameras that you guys have checked to see that it's usable with any of the device. You understand? Your tab and all of that wirelessly. How to tether wirelessly to your phone. So the first thing we are going to do is download Capture One, which I have done. So when you download Capture One, you go to your camera. If you're using Sony, you go to your camera menu, the number 6 menu in your camera. Then in that number 6 menu, you go to the number 1 of number 6. You enter it. Then you see remote shooting function. Remember, let me go back again. You go to number 6 of your camera menu. That number 6 is Wi-Fi menu. At the top, you see network. So that number 6, in that number 6, you enter menu number 1. When you enter menu number 1, then you go to remote shooting function. You click on it. When you click on it, you go to Wi-Fi. What's the name of that thing again? Wi-Fi direct information. Then you enter exit and go to next. You click on it. It will be showing you an operation menu that said operate the connecting device and connect to the device. So now, since it's here like this, what my camera will be showing would be, I don't know if you can see it clearly, or what my camera will be showing me is a white menu like this with some write-up showing me my password and device name. So now the next thing I'll do is, first of all, before I enter the Capture One, I'll go to my Wi-Fi. Then for my Wi-Fi now, it will be showing on my Wi-Fi. It will be showing as direct something on my Wi-Fi. I know you guys might not be seeing it, but once it's showing, if you have connected to the device before, it will automatically connect. So once it's connected to your device, you go back to your Capture One. Your Capture One will now show you options to connect. There is album, import, and connect. So when you enter connect, you see your camera name showing there. The next thing you have to do is just connect. Once you connect, that menu will leave the back of your camera. That menu will no longer be there. So you can now go back. If you have your album created, you now enter the album, then you now start shooting. So as I'm shooting, let me shoot my camera. It's not that bright. I will have to turn on my brightness so that you can see. Okay, now this is it showing on my phone. So let's try and set to bring in more light. So my camera here. So now it's as simple as that. As you can see, it's connected to my phone. So you can give this to your client while your client is holding it. As your client is holding it like this, you are snapping and it will be appearing. Your client will be seeing it. There are other settings also for you to set it to shoot in RAW, to save RAW into your phone, or just to save small JPEG. This should just be for review only, for preview, so that you can give to your client to preview or select pictures. The numbers that are showing above here are the same numbers in the picture in your camera. So if the person selects from here, you can actually just use it and go back and select from your memory card and give to the person. I don't answer your question. Nobody stress me again. If you have just your phone, you can actually tether to your phone also, and that's what I've done for this particular video. So see you in my next video.